I seek refuge in Allah from Satan, the rejected one. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. O children of Israel, remember my favor that I have bestowed upon you and that I preferred you over the world. And fear a day when no soul will suffice for another soul at all, nor will intercession be accepted from it, nor will compensation be taken from it, nor will they be aided. And recall when we saved you from the people of Pharaoh, who were afflicting you with the worst torment, slaughtering your sons and keeping your women alive. And in that was a great trial from your Lord. And recall when we parted the sea for you and saved you and drowned the people of Pharaoh while you were looking on.